Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to combine multiple images into one in Photopea software. So get it started. At first open up Photopea software. Now you can see combine multiple images into one. Now going to the open from computer. Now click. Now select from picture. Now click from open option. Now you can see then we show the first picture. Now we going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open option. Now select from others picture. Now click from open option. That is. Now you can see. Now combine multiple image. Now keyboard press Ctrl A. Now second image in the move the first image. Then we show the first layer 1. Now click from new adjustment layer, add raster marks option. Now we select from going to the toolbar option. Now select from gradient tool option. Now select from gradient. Now click for OK. Now apply from process. That is. Now you can see combine multiple images into one in Photopea software is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.